Hello, this is Ralph Mahalik Jr., the low payment king at the Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Superstore. I want to thank everyone who participated in a recent parade honoring all of our community healthcare professionals and first responders. And thanks to everybody who donated to the 5 charities that we supported. We were very proud and excited to donate to the family of Sheriff Darian Young, Corporal Renee Peterson, Pastor Heather Boone in the Oaks Village, Devin Freeland, and our Heart of the Badge Educational Scholarship Program. And we're here today with my good friend Mike Gainier from Spartan Insurance. Thank you, Mike, for being here.
I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. And Monroe City Police Chief, 3rd generation, Charles McCormick the 4th.
Yep, thank you.
Right?
Yes.
Thank you, Mac. And Judge Bill Nichols from the city of Monroe, and it was formerly the prosecutor here in Monroe, the head prosecutor here in Monroe. Welcome, Bill.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. And we're here today to talk about our Heart of the Badge program, which is a program we started about 5 years ago in our community and discovered that, our country was short 100,000 law enforcement officers. Our state was short officers, our city and county was short officers, and we want to do some things to put more boots on the ground to make our community safer, because when we met years ago, especially here in Monroe County, we were losing several young people a month to either suicide or drug overdose. And to lose these young people that had so much life ahead of them was heartbreaking for all of us. And it's something that we wanted to change and help, get rid of our streets of those drugs, make our streets and our communities safer, and really quit allowing these drugs to ruin families' lives. And the good news is we've made a lot of progress in that area over the years with cooperation of a lot of people, including Pastor Heather Boone and the Oaks Shelter that has made a big impact in helping us with that mission. And but working together with law enforcement, all our first responders, in the hospitals, etc., we've made a big impact on that. So we're going to talk a little bit about that today. We had a glorious parade for the Monroe Street Car Cruise the other night that we had about 60 vehicles participate, and we could have had over 200 participate, but we had to limit it because of CDC guidelines and social distancing. But the flavor that came out of that event Tuesday night was absolutely amazing, and everybody insists that we do an event like that in next year as well. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. You'll see all the cool cars and some wonderful people that helped us support 5 different charities with that event this week, including our Heart of the Badge Educational Scholarship Program.
But I just felt we needed to keep Monroe kids, I'll call them kids, young adults, give them the opportunity to stay in our city, our county, and help us out. And so it was very rewarding so far to be involved with this.
I know there was a lot of conversation with Bill and yourselves regarding looking to do something for first responders and law enforcement in the community. What we had found was we were kind of missing this whole group of people who, to attend a police academy, 16, 17-week process, probably creeping up towards $10,000 to put yourself through it. You certainly can't really be working while you're going through it. It's certainly a full-time commitment. So those who didn't have the financial ability, or maybe young families, you just almost kind of had to carve those people out that didn't have the opportunity, unless you were fortunate enough to find an agency that would sponsor someone, through the academy.
I think that's a great concept. It's really turned out well. I think we have 4 or 5 officers now that have come through the program. So I'm really excited about what everyone thought 5 years ago and actually turned it into something that has some tangible benefit.
Matter of fact, when we Devin Freeland here yesterday, picking up a check for charity, and we as a group challenged Devin. He's a young 18-year-old, handsome young man, and we challenged him. I said, okay, Devin, Pastor Heather Boone, other things in the community. The community is coming up and helping you now, supporting you. Now it's your time to give back and support the community. So he gave us a nice big smile, and he looked good, and he sounded like he was up for the task. We really want to thank the city police, the sheriff's department, the state police for coordinating our parade on Tuesday night. It was a great event. We had Calvin Schmidt from the Township Fire Department have our flag flying over Monroe Street that all our cars could pass under, and the support that we got from that with all the charitable donations and things like that. Everybody said they would insist that we do this parade and car cruise again next year to honor all of our first responders and healthcare professionals. Because for those that don't know, you'll see it in this video, but we left Monroe Dodge Superstore on Tuesday evening, and our good friends Greg and Sienna and JJ put together a wonderful route for us where we visited all 3 of the fire stations in our community, all 3 of the police stations in our community, and in ProMedica Hospital on Macomb Street on our way to having dinner over at Joe's French Italian and enjoy some car camaraderie and conversation and in support of all our first responders and healthcare professionals. And again, the route was amazing. If you would like to support our healthcare professionals and first responders, all those people who wear a badge to protect us, you can pick up your free Heart of the Badge window clings at any one of our 6 low payment king locations in Michigan, Ohio, and Central Florida. Not only do the low payment kings want to serve you more and save you more when you visit our stores, but we also want to get involved in our communities to do everything we can to keep our communities growing, keep our communities safe, and keep our citizens happy. Thank you for watching our video, and God bless America.